Welcome to today's class. In the last class, we had discussed about multi-claused sentences. गत क्लास रे आमे एक अधिक क्लॉज थिबा सेंटेंस विषय रे पढ़िथिले. एक रु अधिक क्लॉज थिबा सेंटेंस गुडिक कंपाउंड किंबा कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस होई पारे. जदि उटे वाक्य रे एक रु अधिक क्लॉज रहिछि तेबे वाक्यटी यौगिक बा जटिल वाक्य होई पारे. And in the last class we had discussed about compound sentences. गत क्लास रे आमे यौगिक वाक्य विषय रे पढ़िथिले. And today we will discuss about complex sentences. आजिर ही क्लास रे आमे जटिल वाक्य विषय रे पढ़िबा. Look at the following sentences. I am certain of completing the work today. I am certain that I shall complete the work today. Tell me the place of your birth. Tell me where you were born. Hardworking students succeed in the examination. Students who work hard succeed in the examinations. Look at the following sentences again and mark the differences and the structures. There are 3 pairs of sentences given above. Each pair of sentences conveys the same meaning. एही 3 जोड़ा वाक्य रे हमें देखिबा प्रत्येक जोड़ा वाक्यर अर्थ एक किंतु स्ट्रक्चर टिके भिन्न. Each pair of sentences convey the same meaning but they have different structures. हमें देखिबा the first sentence in each pair has one independent finite clause and a dependent non-finite clause. हमें प्रत्येक सेंटेंस रे देखिबा जे गोटे इंडिपेंडेंट फाइनाइट क्लॉज रहिछि एवं आ गोटे डिपेंडेंट नॉन फाइनाइट क्लॉज रहिछि. आउ the second sentence in each pair of the sentences has 2 finite clauses, an independent clause and a dependent clause. द्वितीय वाक्य गुडी करे गोटे फाइनाइट क्लॉज रहिछि एवं आ गोटे डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. A dependent clause is otherwise known as a subordinate clause. A dependent clause को हमें subordinate clause कहि थाउ. ताले subordinate clause काको कहिबा ना a clause which depends on the main clause to complete its meaning. It cannot stand itself. Subordinate clause गुडिक साधारणतः WH word that if whether as soon as एही भलिया words ता आरंभ होई थाए. So now the question is, what is a subordinate clause? A subordinate clause is a clause which depends on the main clause to complete its meaning. So it is called a dependent clause or subordinate clause. And there are 3 types of subordinate clauses: noun clause, adverb clause and relative or adjective clause. हमें 3 प्रकार सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज देखिबा. से गुडिक होछि नाउन क्लॉज, एडवर्ब क्लॉज एवं रिलेटिव बा एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज. एही क्लॉज विषय रे हमें नेक्स्ट क्लासेस गुडिक रे आलोचना करिबा. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस? A complex sentence is a sentence in which there is a main clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses. And the subordinate clauses depend on the main clause to complete its meaning. And there are 3 types of subordinate clauses. Each subordinate clause 3 प्रकार subordinate clause रही पारे: noun clause, adverb clause, relative clause. ए भितर जे कोनोसी subordinate clause रही पारिबो. तो देखिए प्रथम सेंटेंस रे आई एम सर्टेन एटा होची मेन क्लॉज. that I shall complete the work today is the subordinate clause. ଏହା ହେଉଛି subordinate clause. ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସରେ ଦେଖିବା tell me ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି main clause, the main clause, and where you were born is the subordinate clause. ଏହା ହେଉଛି subordinate clause. ଏବଂ ତୃତୀୟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସରେ ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ students succeed in the examination. ଏହା ହେଉଛି main clause ଯାହାକି ଦୁଇଟା ପାର୍ଟରେ ଦୁଇ ପଟେ ରହିଛି ଏବଂ ମଝି ପାର୍ଟରେ ଯାହା ରହିଛି who work hard ଏହା ଗୋଟେ subordinate clause. ତାହେଲେ ଏକ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ ବା ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ଖଣ୍ଡବାକ୍ୟ ଏବଂ ଏକ ବା ଏକାଧିକ ଆଶ୍ରିତ ଖଣ୍ଡବାକ୍ୟକୁ ନେଇ ଜଟିଳ ବାକ୍ୟ ଗଠିତ ହୁଏ. ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ବିଷୟରେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଧାରଣା ପାଇଲେ. ଆଜିର ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ବ୍ରେକ୍ ଅଫ୍ each of the following sentences into separate clauses. Mark the main clauses as MC and subordinate clauses as SC. Now another activity, study the following sentences from your previous textbook. Write S against simple sentences, D against compound sentences, and X against complex sentences. And now you have got some idea about different types of sentences. Sentences may be of one claused or multi-claused. If the sentence is one claused, the sentence is a simple sentence. If the sentence has more than one clauses, then it may be a compound sentence or may be a complex sentence.